Welcome back. My current time is 11:53 p.m. Let's do some math at this quiet moment. The question says the size and classification of a triangle are given. We have first the question is x. Let's change the color, x. And that's first side. Next side is also x. I think at this time you can figure out this is an isosceles triangle. Let's continue. The next side is 8 and it gives us this is a right triangle. So we know this is isosceles right triangle. Continue. It says the length of the longest side is given. So the longest side is given right triangle, which means this is a hypotenuse. And then we can assign this is A, this is B. Hypotenuse is denoted as C. Can we find the value of x that makes the triangle? Sure. Let's do this. We know if it's a right triangle, we're going to have a c squared is a squared plus b squared. It has to fulfill this c squared. The longest side squared is the sum of square of two other sides, two other legs. All right, let's put it in. We can do c squared is 8 squared. Since this is x, we're going to have x squared and another x squared. Therefore, we have 8 squared is 2 times x squared. 8 squared is 64. And we're going to divide by 2 each side. We're going to have 32 is x squared. I run the space, so I'm going to continue work here. I'm going to get the square root. I only need the positive square root, which is positive square root 32. Square root 32 is, think about it, it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2 because this is a 4, this is a 4, and then times 2, that's 32, okay? Remember, every time you have a pair, you can come out as one of them. And you get another pair, you can come out as one of them. So this is the only one that is left behind. And we clean up. Let me erase something. Look a little bit busy here. And we're going to say our final solution is 4 times square root 2. This is one of the methods we can solve. The other method is we're going to use a different rule. Because the right triangle and also it's isosceles. Isosceles right triangle means it is, yes, you are right, it is a 45, 90 degree. Let's sketch really quick, 45, 90, and same angle, right angle. Now here's the rule. For 45, 90, this is side x, this side x. How do we find hypotenuse? Would be the length of the leg times the square root 2 is hypotenuse. Therefore, by using this special rule, we're going to have x times the square root 2 is hypotenuse, which are already given to us as 8. We're going to divide by square root 2 each side. We're going to have x is 8 over square root 2. Now, we are going to rationalize the denominator by times square root 2. Okay? Then we're going to have, and simplify, that is 4 times the square root 2. A little bit busy here, but we can see it very well. Now, which method did you like? You pick. Thank you for learning with me. Happy learning.